From the KBIA Newsroom in Columbia, I'm Finnegan Bello. The sixth annual Pettis County Pride Picnic is happening tomorrow, despite recent legislative efforts targeting LGBTQ Missourians and the Pride Fest in nearby Marshall being canceled due to safety concerns. Cassie Brown is the president of PFLAG Sedalia, a group that supports and advocates for the queer community. She says pride celebrations, especially those in rural areas, are important given the charged national atmosphere.
If you come out and you sit side by side with someone and draw on the sidewalk and have a burger, it's really hard to hate them whenever you know who they are. It's really hard to be afraid of someone whenever you genuinely understand them.
The Pride Picnic will be held from 10 a.m. to 2 p.m. at Hubbard Park and will include live music, free food, and resource booths from local mental health and queer advocacy groups. And Missouri Governor Mike Kehoe says he will sign a gerrymandered version of the Missouri congressional map, the Missouri Independent reports. Kehoe plans to sign the bill Sunday. After he called a special session this month, lawmakers met and passed a revised map for Missouri's 8 congressional districts so Republicans could have an advantage in the 5th district, currently held by U.S. Rep. Emanuel Cleaver, a Kansas City Democrat. Missouri is the temporary home to thousands of high-skilled foreign workers through the federal H-1B visa program. As KBIA's Harshawn Radenpal reports, the Trump administration is making it harder for future workers to come to the country by adding a $100,000 fee to new visas.
The program allows employers in specific industries such as tech and education to temporarily bring foreign workers to the United States. Some of the Missouri employers with the most H-1B beneficiaries include Spectrum, MasterCard, and Washington University in St. Louis. When asked Thursday about his thoughts on how the $100,000 fee will impact Missouri's economy, Governor Mike Kehoe said he supports the Trump administration's efforts to, quote, keep our borders secure.
Lock them down, make sure the people that come to the country did as my ancestors did and many others, they did so legally.
The governor also incorrectly said the H-1B restrictions will mostly affect the agricultural sector. Farm workers are covered under a different visa program that isn't affected by the $100,000 fee. I'm Harshawn Radenpal, KBIA News.
Researchers at the University of Missouri are developing a portable tool to diagnose concussions immediately, the Columbia Missourian reports. The tool, called the Mizzou Point of Care Assessment System, monitors patients as they perform different movements. MU Healthcare staff says the research team has been able to do a handful of successful trials with the assessment system. I'm Finnegan Bello, KBIA News.